Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply or set different VAT or tax on different product for different states in United States in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have two product. Now you see organic product, I am a product, and then you see location delivery New York, United States, and then you see tax 0. So we are going to apply different tax on different product for different states for United States of America in Wix store. Now go to Wix dashboard. So we are in Wix setting. Now you see dashboard setting and then you see tax. So click on it. So we are going to assign different tax on different product for different states. So we are in tax section. So first we are going to create groups. By default, one group, one default product tax group exists in Wix. Now you see tax group optional and then you see add custom group. So click on it. Now you see pop up. So you can create new tax group. So you can add name according to requirement. So if you want, you can create multiple groups. So we added name tax group 1 and then click on add button. Now you see group was added. So if you want, you can add multiple group. So click on add custom group. Then you can add group name and then click on add. So it's up to you. Now you see group name tax group 1 0 product in this group. So we are going to assign it. When we hover on it, then you see add product button. So click on it. Again you see pop up. So you can assign product according to requirement. Now you see default product default group 1. Now you see. So all these product exist in product default group. So this is our tax group by default. Now we are going to assign organic product. If you want, you can select multiple and then click on save. Now you see one product assigned in this group, tax group 1. Now scroll up, you see add location button. So click on it. Now you see pop up. Now select country, United States. Now you see now select and then you see state. Now click on it. If you want, you can select according to requirement. So we select Arizona. Another we select New York. Now we select 2 and then click on add. Now you see edit. So click on Arizona. So we are going to set different tax on different product for different states. Now you see product, service, cancellation fee, shipping and delivery, and then you see tax group 1. So we assign one product in this group and all other product in this group. Now you see default group. So we are going to assign 5% and we are going to assign for this group 1 10% tax for state Arizona 510 remaining 0. Also you see advanced mode. So click on it. If you want, you can add rate name. Now you see sales tax. So you can add name. Now you see we added name. If you want, you can add tax or VAT name according to requirement and then click on save. Now you see Arizona, United States was saved and then you see New York. So click on it. So we are going to set different tax rate for different product for this state. Now you see again. So click on advanced mode. So we are going to add rate name first. So for this New York state, we added 50% tax on default group and then we added 20% tax on tax group 1. So we have one product in this group we assign. So we assign different tax rate or VAT rate on different product for different states and then click on save. Now setting was saved. Go to cart page again. Our location is New York. Now refresh the page. So we are in cart page and then you see order summary subtotal $40, delivery free, tax 7%, total 47. So we have two product, organic product from different tax group. I am a product from different tax group. Now you see price same 2020 but tax is different for this state New York. So when we select another state, so click on it. Now select Arizona, update. Now you see tax is different for this state Arizona 3. So you can set different tax on different product for different states in United States of America in Wix store. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.